Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DiversyFund for automated REIT investing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with DiversyFund, first, visit the official website. Once on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, check your email for a verification link. Follow the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Next, log in to your DiversyFund account. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Look for the Investment tab in the main menu. Click on it to explore the available real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Review the different REIT options available, considering factors like risk and return. Once you've chosen a REIT, click on its profile for more detailed information. Scroll down to the Invest Now button and click it. You will be prompted to enter your investment information. Specify the amount you wish to invest in the selected REIT. Ensure you read through any terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, you'll need to link a payment method to facilitate your investment. Select either a bank account or debit card for funding your investment. If banking is your choice, you may need to provide your account number and routing number. After linking your payment method, confirm your investment details. Review your investment summary carefully. If everything looks good, submit your investment request. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your investment. Once confirmed, you can set automated contributions for future investments. Return to your dashboard and select the Auto Invest feature. Choose how frequently you want to automate your contributions, such as monthly or quarterly. Specify the amount you want to automatically invest each time. Finally, monitor your dashboard regularly to track your investment performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.